Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode as we feature the BIOSYSTEM Intelligent Smart Digital Lock.
So we are gonna demo to you the iLock G1, iLock G4, and the 9G.
Yes.
Hello guys, I'm Mia from HardwareCity Singapore, and today I'm going to be introducing to you our BIOSYSTEM Intelligent Smart Locks. So here we have the iLock G1 Digital Gate Lock. So it can be unlocked by fingerprint, passcode, IC card, mechanical key, two-way appliances app, two-way remote control, doorbell, tamper alert and alarm, emergencies jumpstart, and here we have the iLock 9G digital door. So this one can also be unlocked by 3D face scan, fingerprint, palm, passcode, IC card, mechanical key, iAppliances app, doorbell, and you can also connect this through your Wi-Fi. And also this iLock 9G digital door lock, it comes with a 1-hour fire rated certified. So now we are gonna demo to you on how to open these locks using this remote. So the gate lock and the door lock can be synchronized. So here today I'm gonna demo to you on how these locks works together using by this remote control.
Welcome home. Welcome home.
And then we're gonna mount this.
Lock.
You can go out.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm introducing you the BIOSYSTEM G4 Gate Lock, which is one of the best seller. Okay, just now Mia introduced to you using the remote control to unlock. Here we have the remote control as well. Or you can use the PIN code or the IC card. And once you close the gate, it actually autos lock. It can also synchronize to the selected door lock as well. You can also use the remote. You can also download the iAppliances app, as well as use your IC card or fingerprint to unlock.
Hey guys, hope you like this episode.
Don't forget to follow our socials, like, share, subscribe to our channel. We shall see you next week.
See you.